Hey there everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did a blackberry dump cake for you. Just recently my sister had made a apple cinnamon dump cake, brought it to me, and it was really good. And I had some blackberries that I picked a couple years ago, and I was like, I need to do a blackberry one and be pretty good. So that's what I did for you here today. So I just had my blackberries that I picked, and I drained them off because I didn't need all the juice from them that when I canned them. So I drained them and I sprayed my dish there with some non-stick spray. And once my berries had drained off, I put them in the bottom of the baking dish, and I'd say it's maybe 2.5 to 3 cups of the blackberries. And then for the juice I used a 1/2 cup of the blackberry juice that I had to add in some more moisture and liquid into the cake. And then I did, for my cake mix, I used the lemon cake mix, and you get it and you just pour it over the top of the blackberries and just get a good even coating over them. And once you've got it over them and spread out evenly, you'll start putting the butter over the top of it, and it's 2 good old sticks of butter. You melt them up in the microwave, and once you got them melted, you just pour it over the top of it evenly, and that's pretty much it. And also I did a pecan topping, I forgot, and it's a cup of pecans that I use, chopped pecans, and you just spread them over evenly, and then you put it into a 350 degree oven for about 50 to 55 minutes until it gets good and golden brown. And once it's there, it's good to eat on and chew on a little bit. But anyways, that's the recipe and the video for you today. Just a blackberry lemon dump cake for you. One of my favorites when it comes to baking for sure is just throw and go, and there you go. That's all there is to it. But anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.